Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to move a domain from Godaddy to another user. Moving a domain is a common step when switching providers, putting all domains together, or getting better management options. Let's get started. First, open your browser. When your browser is open, go to godaddy.com. Next, log into your account. After logging in, go to your name in the upper right corner. Click the drop-down menu and select your name. Here, you will see your domains. Since we are transferring, click Manage All. When you are in your domain portfolio, you will see the transfer option. Click this option. You will be transferring a domain, so you need to pick if you want to transfer it to Godaddy, move the domain from Godaddy to another registrar, or move the domain to another Godaddy account. Click this option. After you choose this tool, take this example. Let's use Transfer to Godaddy as our sample. Here, go to the option for the EPP code. Import new files here. Then, enter your code here. After you enter the authorization code from your recipient, click Continue. For our example, let's continue. When the codes are checked, the transfer will start. For the other option, transferring between Godaddy accounts, click this one. Now pick which portal you want to transfer, then click Continue. In this form, enter the recipient's email address and the recipient's customer number. When you are finished, click Send Transfer. Here, you can choose to keep a copy or not. After that, it sends the transfer and your domain is now transferred. When the transfer is finished, your domain will be managed under its new provider or account.